Hello YouTube. Today I'm working on a 2014 Ram 3500. As we can see here, we've got the third brake light, which is above the cab here. Got a hole here, which is unfortunately allowing water to get into the cab. So to replace this, just pretty easy job here. It's a matter of removing two Phillips screws, pulling the brake light housing off of the cab, cleaning any gasket residue, and unplugging the connector. And here's the part number for the part that we're using. The part has been superseded several times by Chrysler, so that shows you that you have issues, or they've had issues with it. So I'll get these screws out and see you here in the next clip. Both screws taken out, because as you can see here, there's some plastic washers. So if those washers are broken or bad, replace those. And the whole unit comes out like so. As you can see here, the dust line here at the very top isn't, well, there's a dust line here. It's not clean like the rest of it. So that tells me that this gasket has shrunk, and it was also leaking water from the top here. So we'll go ahead and unplug the connector. If you look here, there's just a plastic release tab. Just push it and the connector should come undone. So you push that tab right here, and that should come undone, and we'll put the new one on. As you can see, I've taken the liberty of cleaning the surface. The new part, revised part, has a much thicker gasket than the original. So we'll go ahead and plug this into that connector, fasten it by two more screws, and we'll be done with this job. So you want to make sure to go evenly. Just tighten it little by little on each side until it's snug down. You don't want to put too much torque on it and crack the plastic. The new unit, you usually sit a little bit further out from the body because the foam is a little thicker than the original. But there we go. So that's how to replace the third brake light housing on one of these Ram 3500s. If you like the video, please click the like button. And if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to my channel. Thanks, and have a great day.